Hello boys, it's tempting to use flexbox and grid with this pattern, but we will still proceed to making box shadows. So yeah, let's modify this size of this box here. And then the height, reduce it. The position, absolute, margin auto, top. Yeah, positive value here. 50, 80. Yeah, let's fix that later. Left, 0, bottom, and right. We have a centered rectangle. Check the diff and move this to the top, I guess. Negative. And then here, put a negative value also. 100. 200. What's the matter? The width is too large. Now move this a bit on the left side and yeah, 90. I don't think so. 70 and increase the height by 5 pixels. Move this on the top. 80. I don't know what's going on. Like that. Yeah, the height is too large. We need to decrease it. Then move this on the top, 100, like so, and check this again. Alright, we have now successfully created the one rectangle, and let's create the other 8 rectangle based on this one. So let's create first the left side. The next, it's yan tapad. Okay, so box shadow, wrong spelling. Then we need here the horizontal offset, so let's just create 100 pixel. We don't need vertical. The size we don't need, the blur we only need the color here. So we are saying that it would sit 100 pixel on the right of this element, and we don't need the vertical offset because this 0 is important, because if we remove it, it's like the creating just a placeholder, so that yeah, positions are clear. Then you can't really see it right now, but what should we do? Yeah, maybe let's create a body rule, body, and then background here, so just so we can see it clearly. Then the color of this main element is this light. Then move this to the right a bit. It's too much. 10 by 10 pixel. So right now, let's just copy this first line of box shadow, paste it here, and since this is moved 100 pixel on the right, so let's just add 110 pixel again. So 110 plus 110, 220. 220, right? And then we already got the horizontal positions, so we're gonna do next the next line. So this is 0 because we don't need to move vertically, and horizontal vertical, the vertical we need to move this like 55 pixels, and then the color is this light. Yep, and we actually got overboard, so negative wait, 45, maybe 50, yeah, 50, so 50 on the vertical and 110 on the horizontal. So this is walk in the park, and copy this second rows and paste again. Okay, this will consist our second row. This is our first row. So for the second row, let's move this 110 on the horizontally, and this is 220. And put a pixel as a value. Alright, now let's create the third row. Copy, comma, and paste these three box shadows. Now, wait, 50. So let's move this 100 pixel on the bottom, and yeah, 100 pixel again. And we have this pattern. It's a shame we didn't able to use the grid and the text box. We got 100% by the way.